Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, February 23rd. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. 60 minutes chart. We can see the index is pulling back in a clear three waves from the peak here, A, B, C, and currently is already hitting the minimum target here in the 100% extension. And if this is a corrective structure, then we should expect Nasdaq to soon find support from here and then either go to new high or at least bouncing in three ways, right? The alternate is going to be that this is not an ABC, but this is a 1 2, and then we are, if that's the case, we're going to be this is now in the wave 3 and go all the way to 1.618 or even lower, right? And that's why in order for us to be to not to speculate on an impulse from the peak, this movement on the downside should not go past below 1.618. If it goes below 1.618, there will be a higher risk that this is becoming an impulse and becoming a 1 2 and then 3 to the downside. Okay, so for now then, I think the idea is as long as this level here is holding and as long as we don't break above below 1.618 extension, which is 13,000 32, then we should be able to find support soon, and the index can then go to new high or bounce in three waves. What will be in the alternate becoming a 5 ways down and then continue to extend lower. Now if we zoom out a little bit, looking at the higher degree, this is 60 minutes, so let's take a look at the daily. Remember, this is wave 4 over here, so that means we are now at the last wave 5 move. This peak here ended with 105. This is a wave 205, and before we continue higher with 305, 405, 505. So let's take a look at the daily chart. So I'm putting in here all the important labels that we need to be need to know. This 4 here, the same 4 here, that means this is 3 and this is our 1 and 2. So we are talking then about the move that started from September 2020, right? So that's the sort of the starting point of this move. We got a 5 ways up from here, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are now within the last move, the last leg with 5. And what we are calling here is, we are still calling for, with the bullish bias, that this is only ending 105. And so if this is ending only 105, then we could expect 205, 305, 405, 505 before we end the whole 5 ways move from here. Now the alternate is going to be that instead of ending 105, this could be your entire wave 5. Right? This could be your entire wave 5. Now if that is the case, then you can expect at minimum a move lower that will correct the entire move from here, right? So at minimum, that's what you expect. So it's a bigger pullback to correct this entire move, or even worst case is ending the whole entire rally from March, which is kind of the low after the COVID-19, right? So the worst case is ending the entire. So you can assume if this is some sort of 1 2 3 4 5 from the March low, then we are already at the final leg of that move that started from March, and we could be in fact ending the whole entire cycle and then doing the bigger pullback. But again, those are all step by step, guys. Those are all step by step. For now, we go with the view of the most aggressive view, that as long as this pivot is still holding, as long as we don't break below 1.618, the bulls still remain in control. No need to speculate. We are in a major top of anything, and we should be able to find support then from this area. As long as we don't break below 1.618, as long as this level is holding, we can find support for at least a 3 years reaction higher, if not going to a new high. Okay, so that is the update for today. And as always, if you do want to check our service or get regular updates, you can always check our free trial. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.